Hey guys, it's Yuha the HoneyBee here. Today I'm going to be playing a game called Starbirds from Kurzgesagt in a Nutshell and Tucana. Kurzgesagt in a Nutshell already made two little games, but personally I think this game is my favorite. So let's begin. It's not the first time I'm playing this game, but I actually skipped back to level 1 so I could do this. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let me just finish it. Hey, look, a new quest. We need a bunch of iron, so I'll just go into this asteroid because it has iron. See, zoom in and out with the wheel. Looking out. Big crater. Ooh, there's a bunch of iron here. I'm just gonna mass produce it on the first try. For no reason. See, if you don't connect it, it will just stay like it's broken or something. Let me show you. Look, if you don't connect it, it works like this. Just spins a bit, like 2 times, and stays. I'll have to connect that. A single launch pad can't keep up with more than 4 extractors, so I'm just gonna build a second one over here. See, this time I think I'm going to produce aluminum. Okay, let me just delete that one. Put that one here. Just put that one there. And since we need more aluminum, let's put it here. Oh, yeah, I forgot to open the quest. There. I'm starting with the aluminum. Almost done. See how fast the aluminum will reach. Wait, I don't think this will go too fast. Oh wait, there we go. See, we need a bunch of iron and done. Already done. Let's go get the second asteroid. We need to discover it, so I'll just discover it like that. Okay, let's enter it. Ooh, we got a bunch of copper and water. Oh, but we're out of credits. I can't add any more extractors. Oh, hey, look, tiny, shiny nuggets. They're so cute. Okay. Ooh, there's a deploy rover. Now, for a fact, I know how this rover works, but I have to tell you, you can't have 2 deploy rovers. Look, if I put one next to it, or far away from it, just teleports there. Just disappears. So it'll always work like that. So I'm almost done here. But I missed the Space Falcon thing. You have to complete this sector in 3.5 minutes, but I'm not really good at that, so I failed. But don't worry, I already finished it almost. Look. Just one more water. Yes! All we need now is a bit of oxygen. You need you need one of these. I don't even know what that is. Okay. This asteroid is called Elfriede. What a not cool, but weird name. That's fascinating. See? Let me just give it a round. Let's see if you can get it. It's a refiner. Okay, so you just put it here, and you just, water deposit. Let's put one here, and put that there, and put that there. I'm hoping this will work. and I hope the deploy rover reaches its end soon. I made it a bit long. It's a long trip. Come on, deploy rover, you can do it. Almost done. Oh, deploy rover finished first. Yay. Well, about a millisecond first. We're done. Let me just skip these ones. Yay, we finished it. Good job, everybody. Now, I would like to show you the next sector, but I'm running out of time. So, I'll show you the next sector in the next video. So, bye for now. And it was Yuha the HoneyBee going out. Goodbye!